on, so you're gonna have to excuse some noise in the background, but everyone was wondering about this, and I said I would do a review, I would try it out, and then give like a full review after I use it. So initial reaction, this is super cute. I love the cover. I appreciate the plastic to keep it safe, and oh my god, I'm so stoked about these colors. Okay, like the palette itself is beautiful with like the holographic, the packaging, very nice and pretty minimal. Like there wasn't a ton of packaging other than the stuff that was shipped in, but these colors are so pretty. This is coming off more purple than it actually is. It's very pink, and this one this is, I can tell, going to be my favorite. It is called Luna, and it is gorgeous. I plan on using that one. I might try to use this one, and I'm going to try to use the mattes. But seriously, these colors are gorgeous, and I can't wait to use them. And yeah, so initial reaction, really good. Let's do a few swatches. I'm always impressed when a yellow turns out really nice. Ooh, some pigment. That's, wow, that's really good. Let's do Luna. I'm so stoked about Luna. Oh, it's so pretty. Okay, yep, Luna is definitely a favorite. This one is really foily. This is, ooh, like a rose gold. Ooh, yeah. So that one, look at that one. That one's pretty. I'm gonna swatch one more. I'm gonna go for silver crystal here, because that one is another one I was pretty excited about. Ooh, yeah. So, that one's hard to see, but oh, so pretty. So stoked. And this is actually replacing my Pastel Goth palette, which isn't all that great of a palette. So I'm super excited to play with these. Let's get into a makeup look. So the colors are really pigmented, really pretty on the skin. I am absolutely in love with Luna. The pink shades are really nice. The only shade I'm really concerned about is Silver Millennium here. I was trying to use it as a highlighter, and it's very soft, to the point where it crushes very easily, if that makes sense. Like, I tried to dip my brush in just a little bit, and it, like, crushed in. This shade here, Love, super pretty, but it does have a little bit of fallout. It's kind of crumbly. The rest of the colors, though, that I used are very soft, velvety, hold together really nicely, very pigmented, and I really appreciate that. Seriously, super happy with this palette. And the price for what I paid, this was $20. The price that I paid is extremely fair, because not only is it like Sailor Moon limited edition, the colors are super pretty, and there's 12 colors. They're all super pigmented, super pretty, holographic. So I feel like I got my money's worth with the palette. The only color I'm concerned about, like I said, is Silver Millennium, just because it's so soft. And it is, I think, like a foil color, so that might be it. I've never really dealt with actual foil colors before. But I'm really happy with my purchase. I'm really happy that I got one. I'm hoping that the people who wanted this palette and weren't able to get it in the first release, I hope there's a second release so that they can get it, because it is really worth the money. Like, I paid, I think, close to the same amount for my Ultimate Rainbow palette, and I used that a lot. So I plan to use this one a lot. The colors are fantastic, and I'd give it probably about a 4 out of 5. Just because there's a couple issues with a couple of the colors, but otherwise really good price point. I'm really impressed that it was only $20, considering it is Sailor Moon. I've seen other like limited edition collections go for way higher, and this one was so fair. And the amount of colors that you get, really awesome. Honestly, I just, as I was playing with it, realized it was an orangey color, and I can't wait to play with that one now. So one last look at the look I created. Super cute. I can't wait to use it more, because it's really pretty. You can like catch some of the sparkle. Yeah, I'm really happy. So that's it. That's my review, the makeup that I did with it, and I hope you guys liked. Bye!